Jai Shri Swami Narayan. We all slept well in Gangada Gurukul, which we completed the day one, and now it's early morning, 5 o'clock, and all cyclists are getting ready to start us day two. Obviously, it was hard for some of them, but most of them has recovered, and sure we will continue.
Jai Swami, it's day two today. On this side, the cyclists are getting prepared, making sure the bikes are ready. We've had a little bit of an issue with this bike since yesterday, so the guys are getting it ready. Nandu, he's a mechanic by profession. There's some tyre changes happening on this side, so the guys that know what they're doing are putting the tyres together, making sure that there's no unnecessary pit stops throughout the day. So teamwork is at full force today, second day, and the riders all coming in. A lot of them are saying that they're still tired, but I'm sure after an hour or so on the bike they'll be fine. Kiran, this is one of our leaders, the brains behind everything that's happening behind the scenes. A very, very good guy.
Let's have a few words about the last night and the ahead.
Good morning. Again, as ever, been made to feel very welcome wherever we are. Absolutely love that. Yesterday's ride, it was nice. It was a good spin. The heat in the afternoon, in the standing still, it was probably up to about 40 degrees. It was hot, and that drains the body battery. But back here at the temple, a nice refresh, lots of water, a nice dinner last night, had a good sleep, and ready to go for day two.
In which group you are?
Group one.
Oh, that's group fastest group.
It's Group Me and Ash.
You ready for it?
Yes, oh definitely, yeah.
Day two, everyone's woken up, all nice and rested, ready to go. They're all charging up with breakfast. We've got fruit and tea so far. A lot of people are making their own porridge, having their own oat bars and protein, and getting ready to go. It's going to be another good day.
So, day two start off with the cyclists leaving from Dangadra. They left early in the morning in the darkness. Due to the extreme heat that comes in the afternoon, the cyclists wanted to minimize the time in that heat. It was pitch dark black with no road lights, but that does not matter. Completing the journey and raising the money is what is important. Going through the farmlands, you can see the heart of Gujarat. The farmers are the lifeblood of Gujarat. Their crops, their land is their way of life. As the sun rises from east, media can become more proactive to capture low angles, bird eye view. Every creative angle is covered to get the best shot, so all of us can experience the ride from the comfort of our home. The first break took place at around 9 5:30 a.m. in Dangadra, a gam in Gujarat. When many people would like to wake up for their day, these cyclists have been already covered many miles by this time.
આજરોજ અમદાવાદથી ભુજ ખાતે જે સાયકલ રેલી આ સ્વામિનારાયણ મંદિર તરફથી જે નીકળેલ છે તેમાં જે આપણા ગુજરાતીઓ મૂળ ગુજરાતી પણ જે વર્ષોથી ફોરેનમાં રહે છે, લંડન ખાતે રહે છે, જે લોકો વતન પ્રત્યે લાગણી દર્શાવી અને આપણા દિવ્યાંગ ભાઈઓ માટે ચેરિટીનું જે કામ કરી રહ્યા છે, જે ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન લાયક છે. અને આવીને આવી કાયમી સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાનના કૃપાથી આપણા ગુજરાત પ્રત્યે આવું નવું પ્રેમ ભાવ દર્શાવતા રહે.
મારું નામ મહેશ પટેલ, અહીંયા હળવદ ધરતીનગર. સોશિયલ મીડિયાથી મેસેજ મળ્યો કે આવી રીતના એનઆરઆઈ ગ્રુપ કચ્છની અંદર અમદાવાદથી બાઇસિકલ દ્વારા રેલી 4 દિવસનો પ્રોગ્રામ છે. તો અમે સ્વયંસેવક તરીકે આરએસએસના સ્વયંસેવક તરીકે માહિતી મળી એટલે અમે લોકો આ યાત્રાળુઓને યાની કે સાયકલિસ્ટોને લીંબુ પાણી રેસ્ટિંગ માટેની એક વ્યવસ્થા કરી છે ધરતીનગર સોસાયટી પરિવાર દ્વારા, અને આ લાભ અમને મળ્યો છે એ બદલ આપ સૌનો ધન્યવાદ.
પોલીસ ઓફિસરનું સ્વાગત. થેન્ક યુ ફોર યોર હેલ્પ.
Day 2 lunchtime, with the help of a police patrol, we are approaching to lunchtime, and bike riders started coming in, which we will have a lunch break here in Maliya. Hey, left.
It was about around 60 kilometers to our lunch stop. The lunch stop is in area called Maliya, and the riders and everybody is they're enjoying today. It's quite flat road today, and it's not even hot like yesterday. Today is much little bit cooler. There's a breeze, and everybody is looking forward and excited about today's ride.
Lunch is ready, and let's have it for a journey ahead in the afternoon.
So we've reached day 2, lunch. We've done about 40 miles, another 35 to go. We've got here just before the heat, so hopefully we can get some good rest. We've got a tough afternoon ahead of us. I think we've got 35 miles, and it's going to be really, really hot, so we need to just get rested, drink plenty of water. It's been a tough ride yesterday. I think everybody struggled in the afternoon. It's very, very hot. I think in the morning everybody set off at quite a fast pace, and everybody did have a bit of a struggle in the afternoon, but we got through it. I think we're halfway now, halfway through the ride, the total ride, so we've got a good group, good support, everybody's helping each other, motivating each other, and overall it's going well. We just need to stay hydrated, have some food, get some rest, and crack on.
But you're getting everyone else motivation and inspiration as well.
I'm getting motivated to you all of you, right? That's main thing.
We're all doing it together now.
I mean, there's nobody's fast and everything.
No.
The whole idea of doing it, right?
we reached the second night stopover in Bacchau, which is city in the Kutch district.
નાનો મોટો એવો
બહુ ખરાબ ડોક્ટર છે યાર કેમ કે ચોટી આતી તો કે પેચોટી નથી
આમાં એવું હોય પેચોટી વસ્તુ એવી તમે વખણા રહો ને વખણા તો પેચોટી તમારે બરાબર પડી
રોંગ કે રોંગ અહીંયા
તમે વખણા ના રહો
અહીંયા પેચોટી કાઢો મને કે ખાર કાઢે
આની વાત નથી અમુક દૂધથી નસ આવે અમુક દૂધથી નસ એટલે જાણવી પડે
પણ પેચોટી છે પગમાં કેમ પહોંચે પેચોટી પેટમાં હોય તો
જો આપણે મારી ભાષામાં કહું આપણે એટલા ગ્રાહી પગમાં પહોંચીને દરિયામાં પહોંચે જો એ
The local villagers again welcoming us not only with amazing food but with a loving heart.
Hello everyone, we have made it to day 2, 160 miles. It was a tough day. We had the ride was 80 miles and we done 40 miles before lunch, 40 miles after lunch. Very hot. I had a fall, as you can see, got stuck in the mud, literally stuck in the mud. Shoes were covered. Our lovely support team, Raj's bike, got the hose out, literally hosed me down. It was quite a blessing in disguise because it was really hot, so I got a nice shower. And when I fell, I damaged my back. Done and Raj smashed it. We got fresh oranges, cold oranges. It's been a challenge, but you know, I'm glad I'm here and I'm glad we're almost to the end. This is the longest distance I've done, yes. We're Vekra, only Vekra.
Very nice, and wish you all the best for tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Every year with my cycle group, I generally get asked to design the tops, and then when Dunsuk, my friend over here, asked me, he said, look, we're doing this charity ride, and I already said I was going to do it, but when he asked me, can you help design it? I said, absolutely, I'll design everything for you, no questions asked, because that was another way of me giving back, because that way every single penny's raised goes back into the charity and helps people, and I'm happily ever do it every single year, because that's the way of me always donating. I'm born and bred in the UK, I'm Gujarati, but I've never actually been to Gujarat. So which way? Yeah, first time. I've never been to Ahmedabad, never been to Gujarat. I got a lot of mates in the Kutch community, and this is one of my really good mates. Basically, it was the first time I've ever been to Gujarat, and this is the best way I've ever experienced it, and just taking me back to my roots. I've been to other parts of India, but to walk into Gujarat, to Ahmedabad, and come to all the different towns and actually speak to people, and they're speaking my language, my mother tongue, is such a beautiful thing. And I just feel at home. I feel reconnected to myself. I'm going to experience Bhuj properly from after we get back on the last day tomorrow. So I'm here until Friday, then I go back to Ahmedabad. And you know what I love about cycling, all of this? I just love the food, it's so good.
What was your experience on visiting Kalpur Mandir for the first time?
It was absolutely beautiful just to kind of see how all the devotees... You know what? They say New York City never sleeps. The Mandir never sleeps. It's open every single minute of the day. And just to see how everybody, all the devotees and everybody just walk in there and they have so much respect and just the vibe, because being Gujarati is we're all about vibes and frequencies, and you can just feel it as soon as you enter the door.
It's been great so far. I mean, in Pocha, I'm just so glad, and we're literally 3/4 in. We don't have a lot left now. First day was tough because the heat was a lot, and you know we didn't get a chance to acclimatize. and but we powered through. In one of the hills, as I got right to the top, I was in my lane. I was on right onto this edge, but I got hit by a van or a car, and it just went doof, and I felt it, and I felt to the side of the barrier. Lucky there was a barrier there, otherwise I would have gone, but Mara je bacha vinda. This is India. But I'm okay. It was just no, I'm okay.
So yeah, I mean, it's been quite a long journey. I've been ill as well, but we've just bounced back and keep going. It's been ups and downs. But yeah, it's been good. I'm relieved that we've got to this stage now. So yeah. I'm excited for tomorrow, definitely.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
આ દીકરી એ સાયકલ લઈને આવી હા લંડન અને બધા લંડન વાળા છે અમદાવાદથી ખેંચ્યું હોય ને ખાઈ પાણી વાળો બીજું પાકું હોય સાયકલ લઈને આવે છે અને બીજું હું શ્રી નારાયણ દેવના અમદાવાદથી બ્લેસિંગ લઈને આવ્યા પછી બીજું પાછું તમે આવ્યા પાછું એક દિવસ બાકી એટલે પાછા
मालिक नी खुटी मेहरबानी मारा